If you want to check voicemail messages on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, first of all, we're gonna go to the phone app. Now, once we go to the phone app, you want to open the keypad over here, and then you can press and hold number 1 in order to speed dial the voicemail. So then once you call your voicemail, then you should be able to, of course, check all the messages that someone might have left you. And in case you press and hold number 1 and nothing happens, you can check voicemail settings and verify the voicemail number. So we can go to the home page, tap on these 3 lines that we have in the upper left corner, and then you can go to settings. Now in settings, we should be able to find the voicemail option, select your SIM if needed, go to advanced settings, then choose setup, and in here we have the voicemail number, which we can edit. You can check Google and search for your operator's voicemail number, or you can try to contact them and ask them about the voicemail number. Leave a like and subscribe.